Hello guys, good morning. We will going to unbox of Huion tablet. Huion HS64 digital graphics. I bought it from Lazada, amounting to 2,100.
The packaging is very good.
Kahit guys, email.
Okay.
Hindi ko kayo pa mo-apply guys. Sorry. Huion. I don't know how to pronounce it. Huion or Huion? Huion? Basta mauna siya. HS64 Creative Pen Tablet.
This is it. Gonna open this one. The packaging is good. So hard to open. Okay.
And thank you for choosing Huion. And then the instructions on how to install the drive. So this one is the tablet. It's a drawing tablet. See, this is my first time using a tablet. I usually draw on paper. So this is the pen. And this one for the fingers, only 2 fingers. This is how to put this one. My hands won't fit. I have big hand, man.
So I'm a left-handed. So this one should be here. I'm a left-handed. It will. This one.
Connector. And then you put it here. Connector for type C. And this is the for the pen. This one, pen. The more you use it, the more you use it. So it has 8 points, pin for your pen, pen. This is the manual, guys. This is the manual. So basically the manual. You can scroll here if you have any questions about the product. I will teach you how to use it later. See you in a bit. Hello guys. So we're using our computer right now. We will try to install it in our laptop. Hello guys, so we're in our desktop, huion.com/download HS64. I'll try this one. After you download, guys, just click the file and then run it. So click install, uh, press agree. So this is it. So you can set your tablet here. This is the shortcut, or you can uh, change this one for your preference. As beginners, we should explore more. So this is the digital pen. So this one you can change the sensitivity of your pen. So I already installed the driver. So I'm using my uh, the pen right now on the tablet. So this is my first time using this one. So bear with me. You Let's move it to how to draw. So you need an drawing app. Mine is Sketchbook Pro.
here.